Bonjour, c'est Clara Clearly French. This lesson is about irregular plurals in French, especially those ending in X. In brief, most of the time, the plural of nouns and adjectives is formed by adding an S to the singular. Un livre, des livres. Joli, jolie. You can't hear it though. However, some have irregular plurals ending in X that don't follow this standard rule, and we're going to see which ones they are. The main category is nouns ending in EAU, EU, and some of the nouns ending in OU. They all take an X on the end. Un bureau, des bureaux. You never ever hear the X. Un château, des châteaux. Un bateau, des bateaux. Un jeu, des jeux. Un feu, des feux. Un cheveu, des cheveux. Un bijou, des bijoux. Un genou, des genoux. Un hibou, des hiboux. The same thing happens with masculine adjectives ending in EAU. Beau becomes beau, no difference in sound. Nouveau becomes nouveau, and that's about the only two we've got in the French language. Most nouns ending in AL and some nouns ending in AIL, we take AUX. That's quite a big change. Un animal becomes des animaux. Un cheval, des chevaux. Un canal, des canaux. Un journal, des journaux. Un métal, des métaux. Un hôpital, des hôpitaux. Un travail, des travaux. Un vitrail, des vitraux. Same thing happens to most masculine adjectives ending in AL. They change to AUX. Loyal, loyaux. Local, locaux. Social, sociaux. International, internationaux. And I'll give you a few exceptions: banal, fatal, and naval, which take an S in the plural. Some nouns are odd, as they change completely in the plural, but thank God there's only two. Un œil, des yeux. Un ciel, des cieux. And the good news is, nouns and masculine adjectives ending in S, X, or Z don't change, because you can't add another one to the end. Un bus, des bus. Un prix, des prix. Un nez, des nez. Curieux, curieux. Heureux, heureux. Jaloux, jaloux. Vieux, vieux. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking on the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.